Ever heard of Velodrome Finance? No? Well, today we dive into this exciting world and break it down for you. Velodrome Finance is a rising star in the vast universe of cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized finance token, or DeFi for short, that's making waves in the crypto market. But what sets Velodrome Finance apart? Well, it's not just a digital currency, it's a whole ecosystem. It's built to encourage users to hold on to their tokens, rewarding them for their loyalty and faith in the system. This novel approach is turning heads and catching eyes, hinting at an untapped potential. Imagine a financial system where you're not just a participant but a beneficiary of its growth. That's the promise of Velodrome Finance, a fresh, dynamic vision for decentralized finance. Now that we know what Velodrome Finance is, let's delve a bit deeper. So, how does Velodrome Finance work, you may ask? It's quite fascinating. Velodrome Finance is a blockchain-based ecosystem that functions through a unique process and offers some intriguing features. At its core, it operates on the robust and secure Ethereum blockchain, which is renowned for its decentralization, transparency, and immutability. The primary token of Velodrome Finance is the VFI token. This is more than just a digital asset, it's the lifeblood of the entire Velodrome ecosystem. It acts as the medium of exchange within the platform, allowing users to participate in various financial activities. But what makes Velodrome Finance stand out is its innovative approach to transactions. Unlike traditional systems where a central authority validates transactions, in Velodrome Finance, transactions are validated by a network of computers or nodes. This decentralized approach not only enhances security but also ensures fairness and transparency, key principles of the blockchain philosophy. Moreover, Velodrome Finance offers a unique feature known as yield farming. This is a process where users can earn rewards by staking their VEFI tokens in a liquidity pool. It's a bit like putting your money in a savings account and earning interest, but with potentially higher returns. Now, you might wonder, what's the catch? Well, like any investment, there are risks involved. The value of VFI tokens, like all cryptocurrencies, can fluctuate, but Velodrome Finance mitigates this risk by implementing a mechanism known as automatic liquidity provision. This ensures that there's always enough liquidity in the pool, which helps stabilize the value of the VFI token. And there's more. Velodrome Finance also incorporates a feature known as token burn. This is a process where a portion of the VFI tokens is removed from circulation over time. It's a deflationary mechanism that helps maintain the token's value by controlling its supply. Impressive, right? But what does this mean for you? The potential of Velodrome Finance is something that cannot be overlooked. This innovative platform is generating a buzz in the crypto world, and for good reason. It's more than just a digital coin, it's a finance system with the potential to reshape our understanding of cryptocurrency. Investing in Velodrome Finance offers several benefits. For one, it's on the rise, gaining traction in the crypto community. This momentum can translate into substantial returns for early investors. Beyond that, Velodrome Finance operates on a robust and secure blockchain technology, offering transparency and reliability that's hard to match. The future of Velodrome Finance looks bright. With its user-friendly interface and unique features, it's set to attract more users, which could drive up its value. As the platform continues to evolve and improve, the potential for growth is immense. It's clear that Velodrome Finance is a game-changer. But what could future hold? Predicting the future is tricky, but let's give it a shot for Velodrome Finance. Now, it's important to remember that the world of cryptocurrency is volatile, subject to market swings and sudden changes. However, based on current trends and market analysis, there is potential for growth in Velodrome Finance. Let's delve into some numbers. Volatility aside, the steady upward trend of Velodrome Finance's price indicates a positive future trajectory. Analysts have noticed increased interest and demand for this coin, which could further drive up its value. In the mid to long term, it's plausible that Velodrome Finance could experience a significant uptick in price, making it a potentially profitable investment. However, it's critical to emphasize the speculative nature of these predictions. Like all investments, there's a degree of risk. It's always wise to do your own research, understand the market, and make informed decisions. While the future remains uncertain, Velodrome Finance certainly holds promise. It's definitely a cryptocurrency worth watching.